Hi viewers, this is Priyadarshini. Before jumping into this video, let me ask you a question. What would you prefer when it comes to buying clothes? Is it quality or is it trend? If you choose quality, you must know what slow fashion is. If you choose trend, then you must know what slow fashion is. Confusing, right? Let's get into this video. Slow fashion. Slow fashion is all about quality over quantity. The important distinction of slow fashion is that it decreases consumption, both consumption of resources and consumption by consumers. It focuses on buying exceptional clothes that last longer and produced in sustainable ways without causing much damage to the planet. Often, the products are made to order to lessen pointless production. This creates opportunity for small players who do not have the facilities to install large marketing units and manufacturing units. So now that you know what slow fashion is, you would have understood what fast fashion is. Fast fashion is the exact opposite of slow fashion. Before Industrial Revolution, the products, the clothes are often made domestically and sourced domestically. Clothes contemplated the vicinity of people and the humans wearing them. Modern day slow fashion has seen a re-emergence in many vintage ways. Initially, it asks us to take a step back and to check on if our clothes can be repaired, and it motivates us to buy fewer clothes and to go for second-hand clothes while we can. Finally, slow fashion asks us to not treat our garments as disposables but to take time to repair and responsibly get rid of them once they serve us. According to recent stats, 85% of textiles end up in landfills. A recent Pulse of the Fashion Industry report states that 4% of the world's waste is produced by fashion products, which is 92 million tons. This is more than e-waste. The most waste is generated during the production process. Each year, 200 million tons of waste ends up in New York City's landfill sites. This is equivalent to filling the Statue of Liberty 440 times. Big brands have the practice of burning unsold clothes, which is worth of millions of dollars. And according to recent stats, 90% of the clothes are thrown before it needs to be, and people only use 20% of clothes from their closet. So now tell me, what would you choose between slow fashion and fast fashion? That's it for today's video. To know more about fashion, follow Fashionist in Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Bye everyone. See you in our next video.